Hi everyone, Jessica here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a 3-color ombre background. I was inspired by colors, believe it or not. Colors are important. It's going to look a little something like, but this way. So the colors that I'll be using is this one, lavender. Be using some white and some pink. This is medium magenta, very pretty baby pink color. I will also be using this kind of brush. I will also be using this thing called retarder. I've never heard of it before, but my sister's doing an art class and I just fell in love with it. Make sure you have water, paint, paintbrush, and this thing. So make sure you have your paint kind of laid out like this. I purposely put the colors like the pink next to the white because they're gonna be mixed. So we're gonna start with pink at the top. You can choose if you want to do the whole thing, like the tops and the sides of the colors that you're using. I also added a drop of the retarder into each of the colors so that the blending time is prolonged. Next, I'm gonna go in with some purple. I didn't clean out the brush because I want the blending to look really good. You kind of just go into it. So there are streaks of purple. Make sure you're going for a nice, even coat. Go back in with some pink at the bottom here. And lastly, you want to get some white on the brush. And just kind of run that in. Quick sidebar, I absolutely hate wasting paint. So took my sketchbook and just decided to use the rest of the paint. So this is what it looks like before it dries. You have the pink at the bottom here, some lavender with some white mixed in between, and that's pink at the top. I'll show you after it's done drying. Okay, so it's slightly dry, mostly. yeah, this is the finished result. The lighting's weird. Well, yeah. Just a quick tutorial. You can draw whatever it is. You can put it this way, whichever way you wanna, use it. Totally up to you how much pink and stuff you want to use up here. If you want to use less purple, lavender, and more white, you can. Totally up to you. But this was just a quick tutorial of how to make some lace. Totally not the same because this one is longer, but this will have to do for now until my next video. So anyways, I recommend the use of the retarder to get, some good blending going on. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more future content from your girl here. Maybe next I'll show you a tour of my art section, if that's what you can really call it, because it's kind of slow. Sayonara.